viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about National Ordnance Factories Day, that is celebrated on 18th March. Indian Ordnance Factories is a government agency under the control of Department of Defense Production, that is DDP, Ministry of Defense, Government of India. It is engaged in research, development, production, testing, marketing, and logistics of a product range in the areas of air, land, and sea systems. OFB, that is Ordnance Factory Board, comprises 41 ordnance factories, 9 training institutes, 3 regional marketing centers, and 4 regional controllerates of safety, which are spread all across the country. Every year, 18 March is celebrated as the Ordnance Factory Day in India. OFB is the world's largest government operated production organization and the oldest organization in India. It has a total workforce of about 80,000. It is often called the fourth arm of defense and the force behind the armed forces of India. OFB is the 35th largest defense equipment manufacturer in the world, second largest in Asia, and the largest in India. Ordnance Factory Board predates all the other organizations like the Army and the Indian Railways by over a century. The first Indian ordnance factory can trace its origins back to the year 1712 when the Dutch Ostend Company established a gunpowder factory in Ichapur. In 1787, another gunpowder factory was established at Ichapur. It began production in 1791 and the site was later used as a rifle factory beginning in 1904. In 1801, Gun Carriage Agency, now known as Gun and Shell Factory, Kasipur, was established at Kasipur, Calcutta, and production began on 18th March 1802. This is the oldest ordnance factory in India still in existence. The Indian ordnance factories have not only supported India through the wars but played an important role in building India with the advancement of technology and have ushered the industrial revolution in India, starting with the first modern steel plant of India much before Tata Steel, the first modern electric textile mill of India, first chemical industries such as smokeless propellant plants of India, established the first engineering colleges of India as its training schools played key role in the founding of research and industrial organizations like ISRO, DRDO, BDL, BEL, BEML and SAIL. In May 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government announced that it will be corporatize Ordnance Factory Board units as part of Prime Minister's Self-Reliant India Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 16 May 2020 announced the decision to corporatize the OFB units. The move has not gone down well with the 80,000 plus workforce of OFB units who have threatened an indefinite strike against the move. The Ministry of Defense formed a high-level official committee comprising officials from the Department of Defense Production and Indian Army to address the concerns of defense employees unions and OFB officers association. So happy Ordnance Factories Day. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.